McIntosh is launching two new amplifiers. They are going to call this model the C22 MKV, the MC1502. The new amplifiers, they are trying to use it to update their last year 78th anniversary model. It's a high-end tube amplifier. If you're looking for something that would give you smooth sound, very detailed sound, McIntosh is for you. So McIntosh often gives phone brands a run for their money when it comes to frequency of product launch, and they have been doing that for many years. The first C22 vacuum tube preamplifier MKV, this is the fifth incarnation of what McIntosh says is it's among its most famous value preamplifiers. It's a direct replacement for last year's C70 Limited Edition, which was an amp they launched last year for their 78th anniversary. The second new amplifier, which is their MC1502, succeed their 70th model from last year, their MC2152 from last year. Both this model, they use new internals and very good power output. So the C22 uses a single 1287 and 12AX7A values, and it comes with two balanced XLR inputs and three unbalanced RCA inputs as well. You're getting decent power out of this. Meanwhile, the two balanced and unbalanced output connection allow the music signal to be fed to separate power amplifiers. The C22 gives you some controls in the front panel, especially if you want to adjust your volume, you want to adjust your bass, your treble, your impedance, everything, your volume. It is there. Yes, and it's there. The C22 also comes with a remote control. It has an headphone amplifier, which comes with the company's crossfeed director technology to improve sound localization on the headphones and to give you better sound stage generally. The new MC1502 as well comes with a different chassis, but it is quite premium. That one comes with a bigger power supply at 150 watts per channel, which can power most speakers regardless, because it can power all the way down to 2 ohms and all the way up to 8 ohms impedance without any issue. The name is very good, it's very efficient. The MC1502 is quite powerful, and you pay very well to get the best out of it. The C22 MKV is going to be priced at $6,000, while the MC1502 will be priced at $11,000. They're only going to be available through McIntosh dealers in the US and in the UK. So that's what you'll probably be looking at the moment right now. And that's it right now. It's going to be available from next month, and if you're in the US, it's going to start shipping in the US from the end of this month. UK starts getting it from early next month. So guys, that's it. Like the videos, subscribe to our channel, like our content, follow us on social media. I'll see you guys next time.